Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this
Happy
moment.
birthday, Joaquin! I love you so much. Wish ko lang sa'yo, una, sana mapalaki ka namin matino at bait na bata. Pangalawa, always good health. At pangatlo, lagi kang magpipray kay Papa Jesus. Yun lang. I love you infinite and forever.
Tell me, do you wanna go where it's covered in all the colored lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you.
Happy birthday. Mahal ka namin ni Mami. Kami, lagi kami nakasupport sa'yo palagi. Happy birthday.
Watching it come true, it's taking over you.
Switch on the sky and the stars glow.
Hi, Joaquin. Happy 7th birthday. Palagi ka mag-ingat.
Brand new. Don't close your eyes, cause your future's ready to shine. It's just a matter of time before we learn how to fly.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our pretty boy together with mommy and daddy, and also for our Manila's finest acrobat. Let's all welcome Joaquin!
It's been fun, but now I've got to go. But before I go and hit the road, I gotta know. Till then, when can we do this again? When can I see you again? When can we do this again? I gotta
Nakakatuwa kasi lagi namin siyang kasama, kaya nababantayan namin siya every step of the way. Mabait na bata yan si Joaquin at saka malalaman.
Masaya at saka nakakalungkot kasi siyempre pagka lumalaki yan, hindi na siya yung palagi nakayakap, magkakaroon naman siya ng mga barkada. Ayun.
Pero nag-promise naman siya na kahit malaki na siya, lagi siyang magkikiss at yayakap sa amin.
rhythm of the night. Something in the air you can't
Thank you so much and welcome to the 7th birthday of Joaquin here at St. Charles Executive Village. And before we start our birthday celebration, may I request everybody to please stand up.
But before I go and hit the road, I gotta know. Till then, when can